Hey guys, Ezra from EzraSlayton.com, and in today's video we're going to start a case study. What we're going to do is set up a funnel and we're going to drive traffic using a website called trafficforme.com. The goal is to get people onto our subscribers list or our email list so we can send emails to them over a period of time, 7 days email list, and then we'll keep shooting them broadcasts over time. And it should be pretty fun. So I'm gonna head inside right now and we'll get started. On the line. Alright guys, we're gonna get started right here. I'm gonna show you basically the plan that we're gonna use. If at any time you want to follow along with this, I'm gonna use the exact same steps that I outlined inside of my ebook, so just go down in the description and grab that ebook and you can follow along. The only difference is we're not going to dominate a platform. We're just going to go straight to paid traffic because it'll give us faster results and we'll be able to test things a lot quicker, right? It's just faster. So let's just break this down for us really quickly. Follow along if you can. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, remember, just leave those down in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so here's how this system is going to work. We're going to take a product. Okay, so we'll just make a little box here, like a little Christmas box. And this is our product, all right? And that product is going to solve somebody's problem. Okay, whether that problem is making more money, they need more money, or they need to lose weight, you decide which product it is, or which problem you want to solve, and then you find a product that can solve that problem, okay? For this case study, we're going to stick with the make money online stuff because I've already got a list built up in that niche, and I don't want to have to create a whole nother list for health and then just have to manage two and be like end up wasting my money buying traffic for something else. So we're going to stick with the make money online stuff, affiliate marketing products, or things that help someone make money online. Now we're going to have to deliver it to the people. And the way we're going to do that is through paid traffic. That's what this whole thing is about. So we're going to go to a website for paid traffic. And before we actually order the traffic, we've got to set some stuff up. So that's what we're going to do. Probably in the next video, I'm going to start to build up the landing page and all that stuff. So subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification. That way you'll be updated, or you'll be notified when that next video releases. It'll probably be the next day or maybe a day after. It just depends on how long it takes me to get it together. Okay, so we've got our product to solve the problem. We're gonna get our paid traffic. That's how we're gonna get the eyeballs. So we're gonna have to set up a landing page, right? So you just draw that right here. This is our landing page, and this is basically just a one-page website where someone will go to enter their email address, and that's where it's called landing page or a capture page because they're landing on the page and we're capturing the email. Okay, pretty basic. I think you probably already know this stuff. Okay, so the landing page is gonna have a button on there. They're gonna click the button, they're gonna enter their email address, and they're gonna be sent into our autoresponder, our email marketing system. Okay, and then we're gonna send them a series of emails over the next few days because 9 times out of 10, maybe even 9.5 times out of 10, if that's possible, nobody's gonna buy or nobody's gonna want to buy it on the first go. They gotta see it a few times before they can make that decision. It's the same thing like when you subscribe to someone's channel or decide to subscribe to someone's channel. Usually you watch a few of their videos before you make that decision, right? Sometimes you just buy automatically. Some of us are impulsive. Okay, so we do that, and then after the landing page, alright, we're going to send them to a bridge page. Alright, and on the bridge page, we're going to have a video, and the video is going to be talking about basically our story a little bit, maybe giving a little bit of insight as to what to expect if they do decide to join. And I'm sorry if you can hear some banging outside. There's constant construction in China, so it's just something we have to deal with. Okay. So after the landing page, they go to the bridge page, and then from the bridge page, they're going to go to our offer, whatever that offer is going to be. Let's call it OF. Okay, that's the offer. All right. So during this entire training series, you're going to learn how to set up a funnel. Right. This is your funnel. All this is your funnel. All right. They start at the traffic, and then they come in at the landing page, and then they go to the bridge page, and then they go to the offer, and then they go down and down and down all the way down to the buying decision. Yeah. So you'll learn how to do that. Then I'll show you how to set up your emails. And if you need help with your emails, I'm thinking I can put together a PDF with email options or email templates that you can use. Just kind of swap out your own affiliate links with mine. All right. Next thing you're going to learn is where to buy traffic, like the best place to go to buy traffic. And then finally, I'll do a little extra stuff, and I'll talk about split testing. And if at any time you want to go a little bit deeper into this, just message me, and I will try my best to coach you through it, best I can. So it should be pretty fun. It's going to be interesting. It's the first time I'm doing one of these case studies where I use paid traffic to get people to come in, and then basically share with you guys exactly how I set everything up. So I hope you'll follow along. If you like this stuff, definitely give me a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. But also, I'm using the exact same strategy like I mentioned earlier that's in the ebook. So just grab the ebook below and you can follow along. All right, that's it for this video. You guys, again, I think I've said this like 10 times, but if you have any comments, please leave them below. I'm very quick to respond here on YouTube, and then you can connect with me on Twitter or Instagram. You can direct message me there on those two platforms as well. So I'm here for you guys. I want to help you. I want to help you get out of that 9 to 5 that you probably want to escape. So just I'm here for you. All right. See you guys in the next video. Peace.